Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I hope that you are having a wonderful week ahead. So right off the bat, I just wanted to say something. If you saw my cover photo for this video, you probably saw a huge Boxycharm box. So that is actually an empty box from previous, boxes that I received. But because they are now putting IPSY and Boxycharm inside one box and sending it to us, I knew it was going to be a little, confusing for some of us who haven't read the news yet or who haven't transitioned yet into, like the new, era of IPSY and Boxycharm, which is, being combined. So actually both are inside this IPSY box. So I just want to let you know that that box is only for illustration purposes, just for people to know that this is also a Boxycharm opening. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm really, really excited. So the truth is that last month, before I even got this box, IPSY had actually sent out, IPSY and Boxycharm, they had basically sent out, a special something to, kind of let us know about the what was it, the incubator program or whatever. So basically this is the first thing that I've actually received since the merge, and I haven't actually tried it yet. It's basically neutrals again with some blues. So at least I was thinking, at least there is a blue, and it looks like it's actually changing color, which is pretty exciting, and it changes to a purple. So yeah, for some reason or the other, I just keep getting, those colors and those color stories, and it's always so funny to me. But it looks really, really pretty, like as a palette and everything. I'm just I've never really tried a lot of Too Faced's eyeshadow palettes, and when I saw this one I was like, okay, well, it looks okay. Doesn't like make me get super, super excited or anything, but maybe once I try the palette it'll actually be better. So that is basically the very, very first thing that I got in my IPSY incubator program. And now we're gonna go into the other products that are in this box. So I hope that you're excited. I haven't actually opened it or seen anything, so let's do that. Okay, right, so yeah, they've obviously separated it. So this is the new IPSY. We only get, the smallest thing, which is, yeah, these, and then inside there's the, the 5-pack, the 5 products. So you can totally see that. Oh, I actually really like this bag. It's so cute. So it says, look good, do good. That's what it says in the back. Let's open it and see what's inside. So the first thing that I'm picking out is Farah mini sponge sets. I have no idea how much this is worth, but I can tell you that I don't think I'd actually buy this on my own. I just don't see why I would get a mini sponge. Okay, let's go to the other products. Right. Oh, okay, so I have gotten something from Professional. This is by Benefit. It's a pore purifying foaming cleanser. I believe that I have already tried this product because I got to try it with another company. So I've already tried this out, and it's pretty okay. It's not bad at all. It's actually quite a nice cleanser. It's just a bit too dry for me at the moment because I'm using tretinoin, and I kind of just need something that keeps my moisture in there a bit more. Okay, next we have the new company, never heard of this, Improve the Skin Barrier Probiotic Hydration Barrier Culture Moisturizer. This is one of their mini products. You can see that. I will be trying that later if, I feel like I need to. It's not really the most exciting at the moment. Okay, I Am Beautiful. So I have received another mascara. This is from the brand Real Her. So this is what it looks like, as you can probably see. And the last product is Shades by Shan, the gel eyeliner. It looks to be an interesting shade of green. Okay, so let me just test that out and show you what that looks like really, really fast. Oh yeah, it's a really, really pretty army green. Okay, so this may actually be the first product that I'm really, really excited in from this package. It just looks really, really nice. It blends so, so beautifully. Wow. Okay, I'm pretty excited by this one, so I'm very happy with the eyeliner. Any eyeliner and I'm gonna be there. That's just me. Okay, so I'm just removing that. Oh wow, it came off so easily. I actually wonder if that's like a long-lasting eyeliner, but I'm actually happy to see that it's been made in Germany because a lot of my favorite eyeliner products actually all come from Germany. Like, I have no idea why. Like, everything that comes from there is so good. So I'm gonna, hope and pray that this one's also just as good. So those are the first 5 products in the IPSY box. Let's see what we have next. So this is obviously the Boxycharm, portion of it. Yeah, IPSY Creator Incubator. spring for it. So yeah, they basically have spring. Okay, so that's, you know, the theme, spring for it. Or is it anything is possible? I don't know. Because over here it says April 2023, anything is possible. A new season is bound to welcome us with new changes. So we're bringing the best of IPSY and Boxycharm together, making more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices. It's Earth Month after all. Oh, okay, so this is basically about Earth Month. So, okay, I will say that the green eyeliner was pretty good actually for that. Okay, let's see what I have. The first product is Red Remedy Toner Color Food Series. I've never heard of this. Never. And I think the one thing I'm not liking right now is there's no price list. I have no idea how much these products are worth. But anyway, let's look at this and see. Wow, it's a huge, huge bottle of toner. Okay, so I've tried so many toners and I've really not come across anything so far that's actually made like a difference to my skin. So whenever I see a toner, I'm like, will this be the one? Nutrient-rich vegan skincare line rooted in the organic colors and beauty of nature. It has hibiscus extract. Oh, I love hibiscus. Okay, so that sounds really good. In case of any side effects such as a red rash or swollenness. Okay, so they're giving you cautions. Okay. After washing your face, then apply it to your face. Yeah, so it's basically what, you know, you would do with any other toner. So you can see it's quite a big product. So these are the full-size products from Boxycharm, obviously. Okay, next, another product I've never heard of, Origins Ginseng Into the Glow Brightening Serum. It does look pretty interesting. The only thing is I really wish that I knew how much all these products were worth. You know what? Let me start researching it so that we can kind of have an idea of how much everything is worth, okay? Alright, thank you for your patience. So I basically went and I scanned all the products onto my phone and I was checking out prices for all of them to basically let you know the full value of the box, and I have it in my hand right now. So basically the toner is $24. It's worth about that much. I checked out the original website. The next product is this ginseng serum. So this one is actually what, $27. I'm just going to open it and check and see what this looks like. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is so, so pretty. I love the bottle. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, that's just one beautiful product right there. Very excited to try that one, obviously. So the next one that I had actually picked up is Lys LYS Beauty. This is a No Limits cream bronzer stick. So I'm not really somebody who uses bronzer, but I am at least happy that they sent it in the shade medium. This means that I may be able to actually use it. Oh wow, that is so cool. Check that out. That is so freaking cool. Yeah, this is definitely going to work for my skin. So this product was $20 based on what I found online. Okay, let's see what's next. The Fenty Beauty Heat by Rihanna. So this is in the shade Lemon Lava. Fenty obviously has lovely products. I'm very happy to receive another lip gloss. I'm very, very happy about that. Just look at it. It's so, so pretty. I don't think I have a gloss in this color, so I'm very, very happy that I actually received this product. It is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really enjoying this. It's got like gold and like white sparkles and stuff. I'm just going to try a little bit of it onto my mouth right now. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love this. I really do. I can see why they did this. It says Lemon Lava, so it's kind of like in theme. This is actually getting a little good. Like, I kind of feel like they are on theme right now. And then bronzer, yeah, for the earth, that makes sense. Not sure where the red toner would go, but nutrient rich maybe, so minerals. So the last product that we have is this eyeshadow palette by Natasha Denona. It is the Alloy palette. I'm not super excited about the shades, I'm gonna be honest. Like, again, nudes, just, yeah, I'm just not somebody who wants the nudes and needs nudes or anything like that, so this is just, yeah. But I do know that, you know, she's got good products. I know that a lot of people do like this particular brand, so maybe I'll try it at some point or give it to like someone in my family who likes nudes. So this palette was worth $27 according to Sephora. So that brings the total value of the box to $119. So that's basically just the 5 full-size products that we got. I did not research the smaller products. If you need to look up that, then you'll have to do it yourself. And if I'm actually counting the Too Faced, which is, you know, what I got, then it's probably going to go up higher. Whew, okay, so I had to like run away really fast because that lip gloss that I just put on my mouth was seriously burning my mouth. I did not, I mean, it didn't hit me. Like, yes, it is the you know, the like thing that plumps your lips and stuff, but I personally don't like, and I don't need that like on my mouth. So when I did that and I was sitting here just now, I was like, holy crap, this is really burning my mouth. So I ran off and I took it off, and now it's starting to become a bit better. So honestly, the color of the lip gloss is amazing. I just don't know if I'm going to be using that because I just don't like products that do that to my mouth. I'm like, ouch, like why? Like I'm perfectly happy with the size of my mouth. I don't want it any bigger or any smaller. I like it the way it is, you know? So I'm kind of like, okay, well, it's a nice product. It definitely matches with the lava theme and everything because it felt like fire on my mouth, but I'm not going to be touching that again. So anyway, thoughts on the box, definitely matching more now with themes, which is pretty interesting and pretty good. Still a little boring in terms of color story, you know, the Natasha Denona palette and everything, but it's a good start. It's not disappointing overall, because I think that, you know, now they're kind of coming together a bit better. They're sticking. I think they've actually listened to what a lot of people are saying regarding themes. So I'm actually excited to see what they're going to have in May and in June and in July and everything else. Let's see how they keep improving and keep doing better. Of course, I'm here to see them, you know, get better and to just keep adding more and more to the brand. Let me know if you had any favorite products in there. I personally think that I was most excited about the toner because, you know, the toner and the serum, you know, that red and the orange one, and of course that green eyeliner from the IPSY box, the IPSY bag, sorry, that was really exciting for me. I love eyeliners, so any eyeliner and I am there. I'm very excited to try that as well because I don't think I've actually tried that brand before. So yeah, that was pretty exciting. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you had fun going through the box with me. Let me know your thoughts. If I do try the products out over the month and I come up with another video, you will definitely see it on the channel. If not, just know that these are my first impressions. I just wanted to get the video up so that you would know, like, you know, what you may be getting in your box. But I suspect that you may already know since they've kind of changed the way that they're doing things, especially if you're buying the subscription. They're letting you pick your products out now, so you probably knew way before I did. But anyway, I hope that you have a wonderful week and that you had fun going through the box with me and seeing what I got. Let me know your thoughts below, and I will see you soon for another video. Lots of love. Bye.